Students, I wanted to look at the grades area because comments that I leave and some of the discussion comments that were left by your classmates can be viewed through the grades tab. So here you can see that there's a 1 next to grade. So let's go see what we see here. All right, so it looks like the introductions has a little dot by it, and you can see that this person probably didn't complete it because they got 0 out of 5. And over on the far right, there's a couple of icons. So let's click them and see what they reveal. So first of all, here's a comment. So if you would click the icon, I don't know how to describe that, like a little statement bubble, you'll see comments. I do provide comments on many of your assignments, so be sure to read them. If you want to close, obviously just go close. And then let's see what this one does. All right, so this will give you score details, and there aren't statistics here, but what that means is that you can see what the average score is on other assignments. So if that's important to you, you can see how you scored in relationship to the overall class. So make sure that you use this. Another way to view your assignments would be to actually click the link here. For example, introductions. Now I told you this test student did not complete it, so there's nothing here. But if the student had completed it, you'd see the submission here. Over here you see the comments again. So this is where you'll see your classmates' comments on peer reviews. And then if you want to, you can add additional comments here. All right, so let me know if you have any questions.